Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to transfer money from your Bankmobile VIBE account straight into your Cash App balance, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can move your funds easily and securely. And stick around until the end for a quick tip to make sure your transfer goes through smoothly. First, open the Cash app on your phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Linked Banks. Next, tap Link Debit Card, and when it asks for card details, select the No Card option. This will let you link your bank account directly. Tap Continue, then search for Bankmobile VIBE in the list of available banks. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top. Once you find it, tap Continue and log in with your usual Bankmobile VIBE username and password. Follow any on-screen prompts to verify your identity. After that, your account will be linked successfully. Now head back to the Cash app home screen. Tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner, then tap Add Cash. Choose an amount or tap the three-dot menu to enter a custom number. Finally, tap Add Cash and confirm with your Cash app PIN. Your money will be transferred from Bankmobile VIBE right into your Cash app balance, ready to send, spend, or withdraw. Make sure you have enough funds in your Bankmobile VIBE account before transferring to avoid failed transactions or delays, and that's it. You've just linked Bankmobile VIBE to Cash app and transferred money like a pro. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick money transfer guides, and check the description for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.